Hello. In this video, I will show you how to access and create your Aportfolio from a course template. It's a very simple process and we'll go through it step by step. Open your browser and go to aportfolio.appstate.edu. This is the Aportfolio site for App State. You can find information and support links along with additional tutorials for customizing your ePortfolios. To access your Aportfolio site, click on the Login to Aportfolio link. Use your App State username and password to log in and you will be taken to your homepage. You may be seeing our Terms of Service page. Please note that you are required to agree to both the Digication Terms of Service and the App State Computer Use Policy. It is always recommended that you read the Terms of Service before you check I agree. The bottom line is, you are the owner of everything you post on your Aportfolio, and you are responsible for honoring our academic integrity code, as well as being mindful of copyright and citation requirements when you reference or reproduce the work of others. Once you have read the terms and conditions, check the two I accept boxes and the I agree button. Then you will be taken to your homepage. Here you can see all the Aportfolios you have created, as well as any Aportfolio courses or communities you are enrolled in. To create your Aportfolio from a course template, first find your course under the course section of your homepage and click on the course title. The first page you see is the notification page for your course. The option to receive email notifications for this course is already selected for you. Unless your instructor tells you otherwise, you may want to deselect this option if you do not want to receive notifications. Do leave this box checked if you wish to be notified when feedback is given on Aportfolio assignments. I'm going to deselect this option. Click on the ePortfolio tab at the top of the page. Note I am selecting from this area of the site. Here you can see all of the Aportfolios within the course. Course templates and other student ePortfolios may be included in this section. Right now, the only ePortfolio in this course is the course template. To create your Aportfolio, click on the Create ePortfolio from Template button. This is the Aportfolio settings page. Here, you can give your Aportfolio a title, choose a template, decide on privacy settings, and more. You can always come back and change these settings in the future. First, I'm going to give my Aportfolio a name. I can have as many ePortfolios as I would like, so I want to give each ePortfolio a unique name. You may want to use your name and a part of the course name as your Aportfolio title. Careful naming will be especially important over time, as you will probably have multiple courses using Aportfolios. By adding part of the course name, you can easily tell which Aportfolio you are working with. Next, I am going to select the privacy settings for my Aportfolio. There are several different options to choose from depending on the audience of your Aportfolio. Always begin by selecting Private to Me, which here is already selected for me. There is also an option to keep your Aportfolio private within App State University. This allows all App State users to view your Aportfolio. The last option is Public. If you select Public, this means your Aportfolio is searchable on Google. Do not select this option until you have completed a professional Aportfolio that is proofread, polished, and approved by an ASU faculty member in your major. We recommend you select Private to Me as the initial setting. Notice here there is a checkbox that says Show in Directory. The Show in Directory option is for Aportfolios you would like all App State users to be able to view. To protect the privacy of your coursework, click on the checkbox to deselect this option. Notice under the Additional Permissions tab that the faculty and students are included as viewers in your Aportfolio. This is how your professor and classmates within your course will be able to view your Aportfolio. You are required to add faculty to your Aportfolio when you're creating it for a specific course. Some professors may prefer your classmates to not be viewers in your Aportfolio. Please follow your professor's instructions in this regard. If your classmates should not be added as viewers, click on Remove to remove them from your list of permissions. If you are doing a group ePortfolio, you can also search and add individual students to view or edit the ePortfolio. Use the search bar to search for individual users. The next section is tagging. Tagging allows you to tag an ePortfolio with relevant topics. For example, if you are part of a student organization and you tag that organization in one of your ePortfolios and have it set to be searchable in the directory, your ePortfolio would show up if someone searches for that tag. Let's select Do Not Allow Tags. Remember, you can always change this if you decide you want to include tagging. The Aportfolio can be used like a blog and does allow comments. For our academic purposes, we are going to select Allow Comments from No One. Once you are done fine-tuning your settings, click on the Create New ePortfolio button. This is the homepage of your individual Aportfolio. If you decide that you would like to change some of the settings, go to the Portfolio Tools tab and click on Settings. This will take you back to your settings page, and you can make all the changes you would like to make. When you are finished making changes, click Save, and you're ready to work in your new Aportfolio.